2015 Nissan Frontier blend door actuator. They want you to pull the whole heater box out, drain the AC and the coolant, pull all this out to do it. My shortcut, I guess, would be just pull everything they pretty much start to tell you to do. Instrument panel, you can see here what I pulled. All this dash stuff, the center console on this model has to come out. Access can be got right through here. You got to disconnect the airbag, so definitely disconnect your battery before you mess with that. You can get on those. 2 screws hold it in. I wouldn't say it's way faster than their shortcut, but it's unnecessary to have to do the AC service and the coolant disconnect. Just figured I'd make a video because nobody's got one out there yet. Alright. That's pretty much it. It's a little bit of a wrestle, but you don't have to drop the steering column any. You can snake it out. At least I did to get it out. We'll see how it goes back in. But Nissan's nice. All the screws are the same to take everything off on the front. The final dash piece has a little bit different style. But these are pretty much the only 2 style screws and fasteners that I came across to do this. So, hope it helps.